Hello there. We just had a heat pump installed with this Senville thermostat, model number KJR-120X slash TFBG-E. It looks like this. And the instructions claim to be written in English, but they appear to be multiple translated, and so it's a little hard to program. So through trial and error, figured it out. So I wanted to just walk you through what that looks like. So that you can set a program for this. The first thing you'll notice is that the temperature on the display and the actual temperature where the thermostat is are not lining up. The heat is on currently, even though it should be calling for it off. And my HVAC tech informed me that that has to do with where the temperature is. It's not actually being read here at the thermostat, it's being read down in the air handler itself. So you got to kind of figure out what the comfortable temperature is for you. For us, we've been running this overnight, and 64 seems to get us to about 68. So that's what we're experimenting now. Not sure if it's really cold here today, it's 18 degrees, so not sure if that'll change with different temperature. But in order to get the thing programmed, the first thing to notice is you want to get it set to week 2. So when you hit the timer button, it'll get you there. Week 1 just turns it on and off, but week 2 allows you to actually set temperature. And so there's 8. If you get to week 2 and you hit enter, and it'll flash, if you've set it right, the day of the week that it is, and you just go through this as is, and each of those dots is a time. There's 8 possible times where you can change the settings. So for us, we just keep it cooler at night and warmer during the day, and so we at 5 a.m. we want the heat to turn up, although I'm turning it back. Oops. I'm going to turn it back down. So when the first spot is blinking, you hit the check mark. Then you just cycle through with this check mark box. Yep, 5 a.m. is the time. We want heat, and I'm going to put it down to 64 because that's what we found out. It was pretty hot last night, a little too warm. Or during the day it's been. And then you can adjust the fan if you want it to be auto or what. And then the second time, which I'd entered in as 10:30, and so now at night I'm going to click OK. We still want it to be 10:30, but here you could adjust it up and down. I do want heat, and I'm going to try tonight. We're going to see if 62 is a good. Well, let's actually take it down to 60. It might be a little cold, so we're going to try that tonight. And then, yep, we still want the fan to be auto. And then I'm not going to enter anything in here, but I could if I wanted to, do a morning heat or an evening heat or whatever. We could program that. But so you just cycle through all the way through until you get there. And then when you're done, you just hit back. And that gets you back to the calendar. And so now I've only set Friday. So then when Friday is blinking, I hit copy. And then this is copy yes. And you click OK, I'm going to copy to Saturday. And then you hit copy again and you cycle and say, now I'm going to, yes, copy to Sunday. Copy Friday to Monday. Oops, I did that wrong. Go back. Friday. So see, here we go. Okay, timer. Oh, going all the way through. Almost got it. I think I can just go back. Yep, there we go. So now Friday, I'm going to hit copy, and I already did. So now we'll do Tuesday. Yep. Copy Friday to Wednesday. Yep. Copy Friday to Thursday. Yep. And I'm just going to make sure that I did it right on Saturday too. Yes. And let's just do Sunday for good measure. Okay. So now that should mean that my whole week looks like that. If you want to do something different on those different days, of course, you can program it however you want. But that's the basic way to program this thermostat. Hope it works for you.